Good morning. So y'all, I just want to share how I make my green smoothies. It's a good way to just start off your day if you don't want to eat anything heavy. I have frozen fruit, a ripe banana, and spinach, and I'm going to add in the ActivatedYou Morning Complete probiotic powder. So I just took a scoop and I'm just like dumping it in there. And then I'm going to add in some liquid. Normally I just do all water, but I'm feeling fancy, so I'm going to add in some Simply juice, just a little. And normally I would use orange juice. This is not supposed to be Simply. It's supposed to be orange juice. And I'm going to fill the rest of the way with water because it's definitely not enough. You want to kind of fill it all the way to the top of your fruits. So the last thing you want to do is just make sure that everything is blended all the way down. And if it's not as cold as you want it, or if it has clumps, you can always blend it more or add in more frozen fruit or ice. And